Lately, I've been altering my clothes, and I love it. I love it so much. It's so fun. I love sewing by hand too. I just want to show you some pieces that I've modified and that I've just been loving to wear them because I feel like I added a little touch of whimsy and a little touch of myself to my clothing pieces. Originally, I didn't like this top for its straps. I thought since I got new buttons for Christmas and these are thick, that it'd be a really cute little whimsy idea to put it on here. And these buttons are so adorable and detailed. I think I want to just do this same pattern throughout the whole thing. There are more buttons to choose from, but I think I'm just going to keep going with this. I just love that this button has a butterfly in it. I love the designs of these buttons. They're just so cute. They're just so cute and foresty and whimsy, and they're just my vibe. I love it. I love it. So I'm gonna just update later. This is what I have so far. This is what's going on. Okay, Faye, it's been a hot minute, but I'm done. This actually turned out so much cuter than I thought it would, and I like it a lot more than I thought I would. I also thought it might be a little uncomfortable. It's not. I think, like, I also chose buttons that aren't, like, thick, so, like, they're all pretty flat, so I feel like they won't get caught on stuff, too, like, if I wear something over this, or I feel like this would be cute to, like, layer, like, if I have a black long sleeve or a brown long sleeve. I love this. I'm seriously like, look at this. This is how the button straps turned out. I think they're so freaking cute. And the pattern fit like perfectly for, oh, my necklace is just like super long. How adorable. I love the ASMR. So now I can just like, I'm so happy. Also, I did alter this. Like, this is like my third altering of this shirt because this shirt used to go straight across. I pinched the top right here and then kind of like just put a couple threads through. And then I decided to sew this butterfly patch on it. And now for my third alteration, I decided to put these button straps. The buttons are so cute, so I'm glad that I found like a good purpose for them because I wanted to put these on something where like the buttons could really be shown off. So just this is so cute. Hey, it's been a couple days. I actually wanted to film a what's in my backpack video, but before I make that video, I actually wanted to zhuzh up my backpack. I wanted to add something whimsy to it. And since I got this nice leaf applique or leaf patch, I thought this would be really cute as the strap right here if I just sewed along and just hand tacked this on this strap, but I don't know if it's gonna work for the back one because for these backpacks, Palravenkunken, I want to say that that's how you pronounce it. They're really nice and durable, but this backpack straps at the top so you could just have one handle. I want to add this to the strap, but I'm scared it's going to get in the way if I do it for both, like for the one on the back. But I want it to look cute. Like I want the backpack to look cute from the front, you know? Or like when it's on my back, like that it has a cute design. So I do want this to be here, like this, I'm thinking. I think that'll look really cute if I just figure out how to tack that on and maybe like wrap the leaves around a little so it's like not just flailing out, if you know what I mean. My other idea for this is if I have enough, if I still have enough left, I would like to put it on these straps. Actually, I don't think I have enough. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't think I'm gonna have enough. But I want to do something with these straps, and I was thinking putting this on each of the straps. But since I already have it in the front, I'm like, should I do something different with the straps? You could give me your suggestions in the comments, because really I'm not sure what I want to do with the straps. I do really like the idea of decorating it though, so then when I'm wearing it, the straps are like cute. But for sure, I want to put this in the front, like just going around. Hey, I hope you can hear me. I know my fan's on, but the strap's almost done. I am about to complete it. The only struggle I've had is really getting the needle through the strap, so I've had to change the needle multiple times. I'm finally using this really thick one that's more durable, but I've bent 2 needles so far, so I had to get rid of them because I could not straighten them out. But I know that this is going to stay on really well because the strap is so thick and durable. I have been going in on it. So anyway, I'm just so excited. It's almost done. Hey, before I end off this video, I wanted to do, well, really, I need to do an outro because I didn't do one yet. I wanted to show one of the projects I mentioned earlier with my green sweater because I actually have this one here. I didn't know where I put it. That's why I didn't film another clip for it because I didn't know where I put it, but I just left it at my poopy's house. I just wanted to show you these pockets. I thought they were going to come out really cute, but I feel like they look kind of like silly. I feel like, okay, if you just see it like this, you're like, oh no, it's a cute little like mushroom pocket. But on, they just look weird, I think because there's nothing else. Like that's the only thing I've like added that you can see. Well, there's something on the hood, but like when it's on me, you can't tell that there's like a patch on the hood and that there's something cohesive happening. I can't really show you because I'm in the car right now. We're just like stopped real quick, like doing stuff, but I really wanted to like make an outro before I forget. On the hood of this, I added this, which I didn't get any clips of because this I put on, I think like a year ago. This has been done, but I just like that. It's like, I feel like there's a butterfly on my head when I put the hood on, right? The other thing I added to it just is not the same vibe at all, which is like fine, but when you only see this, I feel like it just looks funny because the pockets look so tiny in comparison to the rest of the jacket. Well, now that I'm showing you, I feel like maybe a second look, like it doesn't look that bad anymore. But I feel like okay, the pockets just feel really random in comparison to the rest of the jacket, like just being blank. Basically, guys, what should I add? Because I really like the color of this jacket, but I don't wear it that much because it doesn't feel whimsy enough to me. Like it just feels very plain. It just feels like a very simple, like sage jacket. And I love this color. I love green. So of course I want to wear it. But that's why I was trying to like add stuff to it because I felt like it was still a little too plain. But please tell me what I could add. I'm thinking lace on the hood, maybe the arms or the bottom. I don't know. I just want to add something cute. I don't know, because I'm thinking like some black lace, but it's because I don't know where I can find like a dark brown lace. I don't know if that's a common thing to find because I feel like usually if you could find lace, it's either like black or white or maybe like pink or something. But I really want lace in like a dark brown, like a deep brown. And I think that would be cool around the edges, maybe of the pockets or the bottom or something. Or black. If you think black would be cute on this too. Let me know. I think it could work with both. Other than that, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Hype the video. That's a new feature. Please like, subscribe. I really love her. I love her. And my Pookie's back. Fly with you later. Bye.